If you're considering buying Aura, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Stick around to the end because I'll be comparing Aura to other software, and you won't want to miss what sets it apart. First off, Aura is not your average security software. Unlike many competitors, Aura doesn't just focus on basic virus protection. It combines identity theft protection, secure browsing, password management, and much more into one seamless package. If you're looking for comprehensive protection, Aura covers a lot more ground than some of the bigger names like Norton or McAfee. Next thing to consider is the price point. Aura is positioned as a more affordable option compared to others on the market. While you get a lot of features for the price, Aura doesn't skimp on quality, which can often be the case with cheaper competitors. For families or individuals on a budget, this software gives you a high value for a lower cost. The third thing to know is Aura's advanced identity theft protection. Aura takes your data seriously, with 24/7 monitoring, instant alerts, and a robust recovery service if your identity is compromised. While other services might only notify you after the fact, Aura takes immediate action to prevent the theft before it happens. The fourth thing that really stands out about Aura is its VPN feature. Unlike other competitors that charge extra for a VPN, Aura includes it in its core package. This is huge because it adds an extra layer of protection when you're browsing the web or using public Wi-Fi networks, keeping your data secure from hackers and prying eyes. Next, let's talk about customer support. Aura excels here with 24/7 access to real human agents. You're not going to find yourself stuck with a bot when you need help. And compared to other services that leave you on hold for ages, Aura's customer service team is known for its responsiveness, which can make a huge difference in a stressful situation. Another thing to keep in mind is the ease of use. Aura's interface is incredibly user-friendly. If you've tried other security software and found it clunky or difficult to navigate, Aura's clean design and intuitive features will be a welcome change. Everything is laid out simply, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to protect your data. And lastly, Aura's family protection features. If you've got multiple people in your household, Aura allows you to add unlimited devices, keeping everyone safe without having to pay for separate subscriptions. This is one of the reasons Aura stands out compared to competitors that limit the number of devices you can protect. So, if you want to try Aura for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive access to their best free trial and some extra benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Trust me, Aura is worth checking out if you're serious about protecting your online presence and personal data.